Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: location, internet, and your account. First, open settings and confirm location and Wi-Fi or mobile data are active. Next, sign into your Apple ID or Google account if you haven't. This links the phone to the tracking service. Then go straight to Find My Settings and enable the feature. Make sure both device locating and send last location are on. Once done, note the linked email/phone for recovery. This avoids delays when you start locating the device. Now you'll actually locate the phone. Sign into iCloud, com/find or Android. Com/find from a browser or another device, you'll see a map with status and last seen time. If the device is online, use play sound to make it ring or lock to secure it with a passcode and display contact info. If it's movable, tap directions to navigate there. If offline, note the last known location and enable notify when found so you get an alert when it reconnects. Finish by choosing the right final action. If you're certain it's unrecoverable, erase remotely, but remember that deletes tracking and should be last resort. If the phone is stolen, contact your carrier to suspend service and provide the IMEI. File a police report with that number. If you're sharing location, check family sharing or Google Family Settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: if tracking fails, force a reboot of the device's account, re-enable location services, and ensure date/time are set to automatic so the service can reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.